Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add phone number on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after this you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down, tap on see more in account center at bottom left corner of the screen, and after this you can now tap on personal details, and after this you can now tap on contact info, and here you can now tap on add new contact at very last, and after this you can now tap on add mobile number, and after this you can just simply enter a mobile number, or you can now just simply tap on save at very last. And it is a way you can add mobile number on Messenger if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.